Hey guys, welcome to my another video. Google recently launched their mid-range smartphone in the smartphone market. In mid-range smartphone market, Pixel 4a will have two big competitors, iPhone SE and OnePlus Nord. Guys, here in this video, I'm going to compare Google Pixel 4a to OnePlus Nord. I watched out several comparison videos about Google Pixel 4a and OnePlus Nord here on YouTube. Guys, I'm gonna compare these both smartphones in key specs that really matters to find out which one of these mid-range smartphone is best. Before I start the comparison, please note this, I don't have both smartphones to compare side by side on my hand, so this comparison is going to take place on your device screen. Okay, so let's start display. On Google Pixel 4a, we get a 5.8 inches OLED display which gives out the resolution of 2340 into 1080 pixels, and the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. And here on OnePlus Nord, we get 6.4 inches AMOLED display which is pretty much bigger than Pixel 4a, which gives out the resolution of 2400 into 1080 pixels, and display on OnePlus Nord is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Pixel 4a has the refresh rate of 60 Hz and the OnePlus Nord has the refresh rate of 90 Hz. 60 Hz refresh rate is a drawback on Google Pixel 4a, but it really don't matter for anyone like me. Chipset. Google Pixel 4a has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 chip, and while OnePlus Nord has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, which makes the OnePlus Nord 20% faster than Pixel 4a. Pixel 4a has Adreno 618 GPU and OnePlus Nord has Adreno 620 GPU. Google Pixel 4a comes with 6 gigs of LPDDR4 RAM. OnePlus Nord comes with the 8 gigs of LPDDR4 RAM, and both smartphone comes up with single option of 128 GB internal storage. Both devices comes with the Android 10, but here on Pixel 4a, Google offers 3 years Android update till Android 13, and Nord offers single year, means up to Android 11 or 12. Now let's get to the cameras. Google Pixel 4a comes with single rear camera 12 megapixel, 12.2 megapixel, and OnePlus Nord comes up with quad camera setup, 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. Both devices has OIS and PDF. Both devices records video at 4K at 30 frames per second, but as of AI, Google Pixel 4a records video and captures photos better than OnePlus Nord. Google Pixel 4a comes up with 8 megapixel front camera and OnePlus Nord comes up with 32 megapixel dual front camera. Battery. Google Pixel 4a has 3140 mAh lithium polymer battery. OnePlus Nord has 4115 mAh polymer battery. Sorry for it. And guys, now let's get to the price point. Google Pixel 4a and OnePlus Nord both are mid-range smartphone, then their price will be mid or budget price points. So Google Pixel 4a has price tag of $349 US, and OnePlus Nord has the price point of $399 US. Both are mid-range smartphone. There are $50 of gap between Google Pixel 4a and OnePlus Nord. I'm not gonna make this video so long, so guys, comparison ends here. And if you enjoy this video, please subscribe this channel and press its side bell icon to not miss any content from my channel. And my name is Aaron. I'm gonna catch you in my next one.